Question number 17. Solve the equation -4 plus -1 plus 2 plus 5 up to x is equal to 437. So you have to find x. Okay. So here you see -1 minus -4. 2 minus -1. You can write -1 minus -4 equal -1 plus 4 equal to 3. Second, 2 minus -1 is equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So this series is in FP. Okay. So first to find sum. So here you write here a equal to -4 and d equal to, we get 3. Okay. Last term is x. So sum is 437. So Sn given 437. So the formula of Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 437. Okay. That implies n by 2 into a is what? A is -4 plus n minus 1 into d is what? D is 3. 437. That implies you can write n by 2 into -8 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 437. Then n by 2, it is 3n minus 11, you can put this bracket, equal to 437. Now 2 multiply here, so 3n square, 3n into n, 3n square minus 11n is equal to 437 into 2. Okay, that implies 3n square minus 11n is equal to 874. Sorry. Okay, 874. So write 3n square minus 11n minus 874 is equal to 0. Okay. So here it is middle term factor. We can solve it. Middle term factor 3 into 874. 874 into 3. Okay. Then factorize it. 2 3, then 437, 5 7 19, 19 to the 38, 5 7 19 3 is. Okay, so 2 3 19 23 and the sum will be minus 11. So which terms will take? 19 into 3, 57, 22, 23 into 2, 46. Okay. So middle term factor is 3n square minus, so get will be minus 57n plus 46n. You see, this plus this equal to minus 11n. Okay. Then this is minus 874 is equal to 0. Now you take here 3n common, n minus 19 plus 46 common, n minus 19 equal to 0. That implies n minus 19 into 3n plus 46 equal to 0. Okay. Then you see, so n minus 19 equal to 0 or 3n plus 46 equal to 0. Here n equal to 19. Here 3n equal to minus 46. n equal to minus 46 by 3. So this is negative n will never be negative, okay, because n is a positive integer. So answer is 19. N is 19. N is 19 means n number of terms 19. We have to find x. Okay, so last term, that is an. An is what? X. Last term is x. We have to find an. So it is an. N equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is what? A value is minus 4 plus n minus 1. N is 19 minus 1. D value is 3. It equal to minus 4 plus 18 into 3. Minus 4 plus 54 equal to 50. So answer is x is 50. Question number 18. The sum of the first n terms of an AP, which first term is 8 and the common difference 20, is equal to sum of the first 2n terms of another AP, which first term is minus 30, common difference is 8. First, sum of first n terms, Sn. Okay, first term is 8. What is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into first term is 8. 2 into 8 plus n minus 1. Common difference is what? 20. 20. Okay, is equal to sum of the first terms. Let it be equation 1. Second, sum of the first 2n terms. So S2n, another AP. Is another AP. Whose first term is minus 32. A is minus 30 and common difference is 8. Put the formula 2n by 2 because value of n is here 2n here. 2a1 plus 2n minus 1 into d1. Okay, another AP. So here first term a1 and common difference d1. Then see, okay, so n into 2, a1 value is what? Here a1 value is minus 30 plus 2n minus 1, d1 value is 8. Okay, it is equation 2. Is equal, the common difference is the sum of n terms of the page is equal to, that means this one and this one are equal. Sn and S2n, here 2AP, they are equal. So according to question, you can write Sn equal to S2n, another AP. You can here S or you can write here P also. If you write P here or you can write P here. Okay, another AP. So you write formula is here, first equation is n by 2 into 2 into 8 16 plus 20n minus 20 is equal to n 2 into minus 60 plus 16n minus 8. Then n by 2 into it is 20n minus 4. Okay, this bracket here equal to n 16n minus 68. Clear? N multiply to n cancel. 2 is divided here, we can multiply here. So 20n minus 4 is equal to 2 into 16n minus 68. That implies 20n minus 4 is equal to 32n minus 2 into 136. Okay, so you take this one, 20n minus 32n is equal to minus 136 plus 4. That implies minus 12n equal to minus 132. So n equal to minus 132 divided by minus 12. Then you can get 11. Okay, so value of n is 11. That is the answer. If Sn denotes sum of first n terms of an AP, prove that S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. Okay, so Sn is formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here LHS is what? S12. So 12 by 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d. It equal to it is 6 into 2a plus 11d. It equal to 12a plus 66d. It is equation 1. Or you can write LHS. Okay, this is LHS written. So what is RHS? RHS 3 into S8 minus S4. So 3. What is the value of S8? S8 means 8 by 2. This formula you can put S8. You will separately find S8 equal to 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d. Okay, it will be 4 into 2a plus 7d. That is equal to 8a plus 28d. Okay, then S4 equal to 4 by 2 formula. This formula in place of n put 4. So 4 by 2 into 2a plus 4 minus 1 into d. It is 2. So 2a plus 3d. That equal to 4a plus 3d. Now put this value here. So 3 into S8 is what? 8a plus 28d minus S4 is 4a plus 3d. So 4a minus, it will be minus 3d. That is equal to 3 into 8a minus 4a. 4a 28 minus 3. It is 6, 2, 2a, 4a, 60. It is 60. Okay. So 28d minus 60 equal to 22d. Multiply. So 12a plus 66d. You see. LHS is given S12 is this one, and RH is given 3 into S8 minus S4, this one. So LHS equal to RHS, verified of fruit. Okay, then last question of a P. Okay, so these are some important questions we have done. Now we do the last question. The last question, the question number 20. Question number 20. Okay. Find the sum of n terms of the series. So this is the first term, this is first term, this is second, this is third. Okay. We have to find n terms. Clear? So here we can write this series as 4 minus 1 by n plus 4 minus 2 by n plus 4, this is minus 4 minus 3 by n terms. Okay, up to n terms. You see, in each term we get 2 terms. Each term. So you can separate it. 4, 4, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 up to n terms. Plus minus 1 by n, minus 2 by n, minus 3 by n up to n terms. Okay, we split this series into 2 series. Now you see 4 plus 4 plus 4 up to n terms, means 4 is added n times. So directly you can write 4 into n, because 4 is added n times, plus. Here you see we can take common here minus 1 by n. If we take minus 1 by n common, it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Okay, clear? So 1 to n. So 1 to n sum of first n positive integers. So there is a formula. Okay, formula is what? So Sn here is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, sum of first n positive integers, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. How? You see, if we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, here a equal to 1, d equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1, t is also 1, and n is n terms 1 to n. Then Sn equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into 2a, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 1. So here n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is n by 2 into n 2 minus 1. Okay, so we get n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula of Sn, sum of first n positive integers. So here we can put this. So this part is 4n plus, or you can directly write minus 1 by n into n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, you see n cancel, it is 4n minus 1 into n minus n minus 1 into, so directly write and take LCM, 2 LCM. Okay, 2 LCM, 2 into 4 and 8n, then minus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, then it is 7n minus 1 by 2. Answer 7n minus. So friends, we have already completed 20 important questions from the chapter AP, which are very important for your board exam. So prepare well, practice again and again, and if you have any doubt, then you can mail me with my email address. I will give it to you. Okay, so friends, keep smiling and keep focused on study. We can do anything if we have the confidence to do the better.